Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your Godaddy account or Godaddy domain over to Hubspot. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you have your Godaddy account open as well as Hubspot, which I'll get to in a sec. So the first thing that or rather the first page that you want to be at is the configuration for the domains and URL for your HubSpot. And to get there, you'd want to click on this little icon right here, this gear icon, and it should take you to this page where you get to fully configure your HubSpot account. Now, the idea here is you guys would want to go to the Tools tab, so it's this one right here, and the domains URL or the settings for domains isn't actually super obvious right off the bat. So you'd want to go to here and go to Content, click on the drop down, and we'll have 8 options here, and 8 of which you'd want to select domains and URL. Now, the cool thing about this is HubSpot and GoDaddy are actually integrated with each other seamlessly. So this makes domain transfers very smooth and hassle-free. So when you click on buy a domain, you'll see that there's a pop-up showing you that GoDaddy is properly integrated with HubSpot. So if I were to connect my GoDaddy domain, I would click on connect a domain like so, and you'll be met with these 2 options right here, from which you'd want to select primary, because it reads connect a root domain or subdomain as the default home for your main websites, pages, blog, or landing page. So if your format for your domain is an actual website and not like an email marketing system like a newsletter, then you obviously want to opt for this one. So I'm going to click on connect, and you should be met with this page right here where you would input the domain for your GoDaddy account. Now I'm actually going to go open GoDaddy here in a sec. So here's my GoDaddy account, and if I were to connect my domain, I'd click on this. This is actually one of my websites. Now I think this will actually take me to the site builder, but let's see. Okay, so here we are. And from here, you'd want to select the domains tab. So it's this one right here. Actually, this is a website, so we're going to click on the website tab and copy this and head back to HubSpot and paste the domain name over here, as well as the name server and the IP address and so on, and the port. So basically just follow the answer instruction that HubSpot will ask of you when you go to import your details for your domain from GoDaddy onto HubSpot. And once you're past that, simply hit connect and you guys should be done. So yeah, that's really all it takes. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.